And during Olkalao elections, there was a rumor that transformers are coming from one side of Mbeere North being taken to Olkalao for campaigns. Mr. Speaker, I also met the chair there campaigning for the UDA candidate. And Mr. Speaker, I want to actually caution the chair not to fall into the trap of using electricity as a campaign tool when there is a need. There is a very serious need to map the country, know where electricity is not well connected, know where transformers have become obsolete, and Mr. Speaker, act with speed, put in budget, look for partners, so that Mr. Speaker, every part of this country should be connected to electricity. We are in the 21st century, Mr. Speaker. We should not be having problems of electricity connectivity in this nation, Mr. Speaker. And as we speak about maintenance, I also want to tell the chair that he should be very keen to ensure you don't, Mr. Speaker, risk the lives of Kenya Power employees. I found in my constituency, Mr. Speaker, some people removing the transformers at night for maintenance, and they were almost lynched. And Mr. Speaker, I wondered what kind of operation could Kenya Power be doing with transformers being removed at night. It is important as we look at how we are going to maintain electricity transformers.
Yes, what's your point of order, MP for Kisses?
Sasa wewe.
Mheshimiwa, you can sit down. Mheshimiwa, listening to my good friend Honorable Mugunji, and I love his debate, but is it in order for him to mislead the country, knowing that the company Kenya Power operates 24 hours, in fact, including having an emergency office that they can undertake an emergency responsibility or calls for that purpose to be treated like there should not be undertaking their duties at night. It is something that he should be, if he doesn't know, then be informed that that department or that company operates 24 hours.
What's your point of order? You are informing me and I have not requested for your information. Honourable Speaker.
You have not raised a matter that essentially is a point of order. The information you're raising, and in any case, he said, why would they be removing a transformer at night which is functioning?
Yes.
Isn't that what you said?
Yes, that's what I said, Honourable Speaker. And I was giving actually a case of in my constituency that has happened. And as I conclude, Honourable Speaker.
And the issue here is, which if I may get you right, is that there are functioning what do you call transformers that are being moved from place to place.
Exactly, Honourable Speaker.
Okay.
And I need a clarification from the chair. I saw him campaigning very seriously with 1.2 million in Olkalao and promising people electricity. And Honourable Speaker, I would wonder whether he will still continue and complete those projects now that they lost the election. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.